Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review or an unboxing on the Sony FX30 camera and this XLR mount for it. So we can put two XLR camera or microphones right here, and we can attach this and the audio will come in through here and it'll be recorded whenever we're doing a video onto the SD card inside the camera. So with the Sony FX30 camera, you do get a power supply that you're going to plug this in the wall, USB-A out. This is a USB-C. That's how you're gonna charge the camera, and it does come with a NP-FZ100 battery. So let's mount it. You're gonna take this little cover off. Now there's a cover on this side also. That's gonna expose. Be very careful of that area right there. You're going to slide this in that little track, and then we're going to screw these screws down. So you're going to slide it in, and now we can screw these down that it's nice and permanent. Now if I plug a microphone in here, I'll have control of it here, but it's mainly going to record on the SD card when I take a video. It's even like a nice handle. Here's a close-up of all the switches. Looks like there's three inputs. You've got two XLRs, input 1 and 2, and then there's input 3, which is that. We've even got some controls here, a little door you lift up. And same with this, there's a little door you got to lift up so that you can make your adjustments. And then you can put your microphone in here. Cable holders right here, and there is a micro USB-C cable right there underneath that cover. Okay, let's go over some sizes. So all the way up is 7.5 inches when it's on the camera, 7 inches that way, about 6 inches that way. You know, left to right, you're looking at about 5 inches. So I hope this unboxing video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.